Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see a Java program to understand the concept of implicit typecasting. As we have seen in the previous video, implicit typecasting happens automatically when you assign a smaller data type to a larger data type. And Java does this because there is no risk of data loss. The bigger container can easily hold the smaller value. So let's start with the program. I have created a class implicit casting example. Inside the class, we have a main method. Here is a comment just to understand the hierarchy of data types. So we are having byte, which is the smallest one. Then we have short, int, long, float, and the largest one in size is double. This is just to define what is implicit casting. So Java automatically converts smaller data types into the larger ones. As you can see here, I have taken a variable named small byte, which is of type byte, and the initial value assigned to it is 10. On the next line, I'm simply assigning small byte to short number, which is of data type short. Then on the next line, I'm assigning short number to int number, which is of type integer. On the next line, I'm assigning int number to long number, which is of data type long. Here, the long number is assigned to float number, which is of type float, and float number is assigned to double number, which is of type double. There's no extra code written here. This conversion happens automatically. And this is exactly where the concept of implicit typecasting comes into a picture. Then from line number 13 till line number 20, I've got println statements to print some strings and values. Let's run the code to see the output. So here I've got run option to run the main method. And here is the output of this program. So on line number 13 and 14, I'm printing some strings, which we can see here. On line number 15, I'm printing the byte value. So it is giving me 10. On line number 16, we're printing the short value. So again, we can see the value is the same, that is 10. On line number 17, we are printing the int value. We can see it here. On line number 18, we're printing the long value, which can be seen here. On line number 19, we're printing the float value. So for float value, it has added the decimal. So we can see it's 10.0. And on line number 20, we are printing the double value. So same as float, for double value also, it has added the decimal. From the output, it's clear that Java automatically converted byte into short, then int, then long, then float, and finally double. We didn't write any casting syntax. Java handled everything behind the scenes. So think of it like pouring a small cup of water into a big bucket. The bucket can easily hold it. There is no overflow, there is no loss. That's exactly how implicit casting works. If you enjoyed this content, please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, P for Programming. Thank you.